Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. On this episode, we're going to talk about, is hair loss reversible? But before we get too far off into this particular topic, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us some thumbs up, and we'll see you on the other side. Let's go. Answering this question, we have to look at three things. Number one, you want to act right away. Do not delay. Once you start experiencing thinning, do not look in the mirror as if it's going to grow back. It ain't going to happen like that. You have to take action. Why? Because time is follicles. If you get in front of it and act upon it sooner, then now the quicker you can begin to experience growth. And Tracy Radford said it best. She's a trichologist. And I quote, "The rate of loss is greater than the rate of return. It would take a while for hair density to return." So, meaning, if it took 6 months for you to lose your hair, it may take a year for you to get that back. If you are acting right away, if you're not delaying. So please do not delay. The second thing that we want to look at when addressing this question, there's two buckets. Is your hair loss reversible? Do you fit in that bucket? Or the second bucket, is it irreversible? Meaning, do you have scar tissue? Is your tissue to the point that it's completely damaged? Is your follicles functioning? Or are your follicles destroyed? The environment on your scalp has to be healthy enough to warrant growth. And then last but not least, identifying the cause so you can begin to have the correct treatments or treatment. For example, is it nutritional deficiency? Do you need to ramp up on your nutrition? Is it bacterial? Is it fungal? Is it viral? Is it your liver, organs? Do you need a detox? Is it stress? Identifying the cause so then you can align with the right treatment. Well, I hope that helped you on your journey. This is your boy B, the Beard and Hair Science Guy, and I see you guys on the next episode. As always, we out. All right, so we want to look at three things when we're looking at. When addressing this question, we want to look at three things. Okay,